Hello, everybody. We are going to take a look at how much analysts are estimating Rocket Lab to grow in the next few years. We are going to look at revenue growth and earnings per share growth. And then I am going to give the stock a buy, sell, or hold rating based on the numbers and a fair price to earnings multiple according to me. If you like this concept, remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and I will make more of them. You can also comment on what stock you want me to do next. I am going to take the average number of what analysts think the growth will be going forward. So first, we can see that analysts expect revenue to reach $1.19 billion in 2027. That is an average revenue growth of 38% annually. When it comes to earnings per share, they expect 29 cents in 2027. Rocket Lab's stock price today is $7.47. That means that if you buy the stock today, you are paying a price to earnings multiple of 25 for 2027 earnings if these assumptions come true. I think that is too cheap for a stock that are expected to grow pretty fast in the next years. I would say that a price to earnings multiple of 45 in 2027 is reasonable for a stock that is growing in that pace. So if we take 29 cents times 45, we get a stock price of $13. That means we can expect a return of 74% if these assumptions come true. That is a compounded annual growth rate of 13%. According to me, that is a hold on today's expectations. I would like to have a bit more margin of safety before buying Rocket Lab. I think there are too much uncertainty in the predictions at the moment. I do not own shares of Rocket Lab. Remember to do your own due diligence. Don't take this as investment advice, only for inspiration. Please subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you for watching.